my god, this is good. Daddy wants to go cook.
Yes, I'm gonna cook this morning. Today we're doing some plantain with some Hawaiian rolls and bacon with eggs. Yeah, that's what we're doing this morning. So I want to show you guys how I usually do the plantain. For those of you who want to cook the plantain, I usually cut off both sides and put it here. And then don't go all the way through, just to go through the skin. And this here, open it out. You see, it looked like a banana, like a big banana. But I'm cooking it different today. I'm doing it like this here. Yep, like this. And you guys know I always put my paper over here, my tissue. So when it's fried, you're gonna absorb the oil. One more for you guys, so you can see. Again, just to go through the skin. That's it. Here's my bell pepper, tomatoes, celery, my cheese, and my eggs. And my bacon, but I'm doing turkey bacon. I'm not doing pork, I'm doing turkey. I'm doing my eggs now. Put the celery in my eggs. Tomatoes. Plantain. Bacon. And it's just turkey bacon. with plantain, guys. Do my eggs now. Put cheese on top of it. Not much. Put my pepper. The eggs, guys. The eggs look like here. And this is a piece of egg. And this is eggs, bell pepper, tomatoes, and cheese. Okay. And you guys are gonna see what the bottom of the egg look like in a minute. And we're gonna take out the egg like this here. the eggs bottom will look like. And imagine this is 3 eggs and you get this much egg because it cooks slow, very slow, low heat, and then it cooks. And it is so heavy. So there we go, guys. This is the piece of egg. Piece of egg. This pure piece of egg. Thank you, thank you.
Yeah.
Yes, this is my breakfast here. I have plantain, I have eggs, I have bacon, and I have a slice of whole wheat bread. And then I have my coffee. This is what my breakfast looked like this morning. So you guys tell me what you think of my piece of eggs and my turkey bacon with fried plantain and a slice of whole wheat bread and a tumbler of coffee. Don't forget, guys, to subscribe, like, and share, and leave a comment. It's appreciated. Thank you, guys, and you guys have a great Christmas, Boxing Day holidays.